The St. Louis sheriff accused of witness tampering is now under house arrest and is still running his office from home. Tonight, a state judge says that can continue even as federal criminal charges may land him in jail. Our political editor, Mark Maxwell, is live downtown outside the courthouse.
Kelly, today in state court, the Missouri Attorney General argued that Sheriff Alfred Montgomery can't possibly run a law enforcement agency from the confines of his living room. But the judge, the veteran judge presiding over the AG's push to expel Montgomery, said not so fast. He's demanding to see a full trial with all the vetted evidence before taking that rare and uncommon step to strip someone of all the titles and power that come from an elected office. We learned last night that Alfred Montgomery now faces 5 new federal felony charges for alleged witness tampering and intimidation. That's why state prosecutors rushed back to court again today, trying now for the 4th time to remove him from office or suspend him pending that removal. Retired Judge David Mason, his attorney, says the court was right to slow things down and trust due process.
You have somebody sitting up there who is, in fact, an experienced judge. He knows the difference between what it takes to prove something and what it takes to allege something. This guy didn't just, fall out of law school. He has seen many not guilties based upon failure of evidence.
Tuesday's hearing could change everything in federal court, especially whether Montgomery is allowed to stay in house arrest, whether he's allowed to go free pending his trial there, or if he's even detained. We know in the past the federal courts have sometimes detained people pending their trial in the City Justice Center, the very same facility where these criminal charges all began for Sheriff Montgomery. Of course, law enforcement sources tell us they would not likely detain the sheriff in the facility where he once worked and where his deputies still work to this day. But a lot riding on Tuesday's hearing. The state trial pending his removal still on schedule for later this month. Live downtown, Mark Maxwell, 5 on your side.